Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into United Bank account. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I am using Chrome. Then on the address bar, search for unitedbank.com. Once your official website is open, at the right side you will see login option. Simply click on it. Then you just have to fill out this form. First of all, choose your banking type. Then enter your username. Then enter your password. If you do not remember your password, then simply click on Forget Password option available here. And if you haven't registered, then simply click on Enroll option. Once you fill out both of the information correctly, click on Login option to log into your account. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.